Taking decisions can be stressful, even if you're an expert. What if you could have the food you are craving for, or get that perfect dress, or have by just talking to someone about what you want, without all the browsing and confusions? And let's talk about the struggle of a bad team. We all know what are the core takeaways of a school project with the perfect team. We all really wish to have a productive and compatible team supporting you to build your school project. Speaking of groups and teams, managing a team can be a disaster. As for instance, if you are planning a trip with your friends, choosing a travel destination, booking a hotel, managing your budget, on top of that briefing the plan to everyone and managing them. Yes, a disaster. Having someone else manage your trip, making sure everything is perfect and aligned would be great. Well, maybe not in these cases, but in case of your tech team, you can. Have the perfect hires for your team with just telling your requirements. No stress, no hassle, no mishires. Get the best talents with quality tech skills and soft skills, accountable to provide you full support on your project. With an experienced project manager making sure your plan is picture perfect. No hiccups, no deadline extensions, and the best results delivered. No additional costs? Book a free consultation today. Ben Base.